Hey Leo, how's it going? Welcome back. I hope everybody is having an amazing week. We are going to get right into your reading. The person you thought of when you saw the picture of this, the title of this reading, the person that came to mind, we're going to pull messages from their heart and soul, see where this is going. Always take what resonates, never force anything to fit, but you know to always head over and watch your rising, your moon, and your Venus placement sign readings for additional clarity. There may even be some similarities. If you find that this reading doesn't resonate at all, I have a whole YouTube channel filled with Leo readings. Most of my love readings are timeless. You know, with that being said, we're all on a different journey, but if you are drawn to a title, then there's a reason why. Also take your own interpretation of the cards as I hold them up, not just with me, but with any tarot reader. Those of you that are, you know, completely all into the reading, your spirit guides, the universe could be sending you messages through the cards that I hold up. The month of February is obviously coming to an end, so make sure those that participated in the reading, in the giveaway, are paying attention to that little bell top right-hand corner of everyone's YouTube homepage. 3 people will be hearing from me. Those of you that have yet to subscribe, go ahead and do that so you can still take part. We still have a couple days of February left. 3 free love readings I'm giving away. You can take part in this giveaway, subscribe, and then leave a heart emoji in the comment section of this reading and any reading you view within the next couple days of my channel. March will be a brand new giveaway, and I will announce that with the beginning of March readings. All right, Leah, let's get into your reading. All right, we had a few come out. Destiny. I am understanding our relationship and our connection. What I once thought was trivial is something more on a higher consciousness. I couldn't understand it then, but I am starting to. So destiny could be a twin flame connection. We do have 33 here, master number 3, spiritual number 33. You were fated to meet this person in this lifetime. Could be a soulmate. Virgo energy. I had my life all planned out, focusing on my 5-year plan, but then I met you and everything changed. I didn't know how to rearrange my life, my schedule for you. I should have learned to compromise. You got this person rethinking about replaying things of how they handled the situation, how, you know, how they didn't or they weren't able to put in the effort. Intuition reminds me of the High Priestess. So I am picking up on silence between you and this person, but definitely a hard realization. It finally dawned on me why I feel so drawn to you and why our connection is so intense, taking it back to fate. I'm starting to understand my fears and my overwhelming emotions towards you. You could have realized that one day this person was all in, talking about the future, talking about their next date, or how they had a wedding in 5 months and how they wanted to take you, and how they had like a vacation that they saw themselves taking with you, a place that they wanted to take you to. You have them all up in their mind space. New beginnings. We needed to let go of certain issues and work through our struggles by recognizing what went wrong and how we played a part in it. I love you too much to let you go, so let's start anew. Wow. And inner child healing. This is what's leading them to this realization. Them activating their higher self. I have made and used excuses in order to control or sabotage our connection, but now I realize the only way to heal is to mend, acknowledge, and forgive my past. And to be honest, cross watchers, you may have to flip the energy, but Leo, there might have been some things that you still needed to heal from. You know, once being in this connection, it's like Do I feel my best? Am I ready to move forward with this connection and take it the next step? Look at this. All of your manifesting, all of your praying and wishing and hoping, it's about to pay off. This is fast change is coming. That door of opportunity is opening up. Manifesting, divine secret. Remember, destiny is here. So there is divine timing playing, divine secrets, spirit having a plan. It reminds me, even though the number 5 is not attached to this, 5 is that master spiritual number of change, of things improving, of moving forward, overcoming challenges. That door of opportunity is waiting for both of you. All right, let's get deeper. We're going to see the overall energy surrounding you, Leo, at this moment. And the two of you may be very opposite. You know, very opposite. One may be outgoing, one may be an introvert. It could have been that you were on two totally different pages of your life at the time you were meeting. And the reason I say that right here, obviously, in this deck, there is an animal and then there is a human, but still connected on that soul level. It shows the differences between the two of you, but no matter the differences, you're still connected on that soul level. And then we have the sun, Leo. We have two major arcana coming through. We have your energy showing up. It's quite the epiphany that is going on. Eight of Wands, forward movement, the communication, the fast change that is coming. Remember right here, the fast change that is coming. This could even be some travel that needs to occur for, you know, between the two of you. Not for all of you is that going to resonate, but there may be some travel. The Knight of Swords, the fast action that they're coming in with. Now, you very well maybe have termed or called them the runner, running away from this connection, ghosting you. Why would you want somebody back that ghosts you? Listen, not everybody comes in at their best self. Remember, inner child healing is activating their higher self. These could be things that they have dealt with even as a child that made them very scorned, you know, and not being able to think outside of that box that they lived in and they felt so secure with. In meeting you, you know, it's like, let me put that foot out of the box. Let me put one foot out. All right, you know what? I still feel safe. Let me put both feet out. You know, it's like that wounded warrior getting ready to rise and overcome. There is fast action coming. So we do have fellow fire energy. Could even be an air sign so far. But with new beginnings in Virgo, I'm feeling grounded energy. So, you know, you may or they may be an earth, you know, you may have earth in your chart. They could be an earth sign. Take it how it resonates. Let's get deeper, Leo. Guys, I just ordered my 100,000 subscriber plaque, so I'm waiting for it to come in. I am back from my first travel. Most of you know that my Etsy shop for personal readings is on vacation mode, just so I don't get overwhelmed because I am traveling again in 2 weeks. Within these next 2 weeks, though, any of you who would like a personal reading, just click on my Etsy shop. We can, you know, just contact me through Etsy. We could do PayPal, we could do Venmo, and if you're readily available to purchase a reading and I answer you immediately, I can even open my Etsy shop for you to purchase a reading and I'll put it back on vacation mode. Why am I doing it this way? I don't want to get overwhelmed with readings for the rest of the world that shops through Etsy. All right, for my lovely, amazing Leos. And you guys know you hold a special place in my heart. Temperance. And look at how her hand is over her heart. And I just said you hold a special place in my heart. Deep healing. Needing some time and patience with one another. I am picking up on angel guidance. All right. 5 of Swords. Change of heart right here. Wanting to talk things out. Knowing this person needs to make certain changes in their life. Changes for the better before contacting you. 4 of Pentacles. Truly, their focus may be on work and career right now. You know, working extra, pulling themselves out of some debt. Is my camera shaking, guys? I think it is. It is. I apologize. I'm trying to get a different view. Give me 1 second. I don't want it to keep shaking though. Guys, I'm sorry. People have said that they can't see the Scrabble tiles. So I'm just doing my best to make it work and make everyone happy. Was that definitely a downfall of mine? Because I always try to make everyone happy. I'm a Libra. All right. 2 of Swords, the crossroads. Yeah. I'm feeling some turmoil between the 2 of you. But remember I said that epiphany that's happening right now? Look at this. This is the epiphany. Overthinking, however, taking themselves out of the box. And Leo, let's be honest, this might be some of your energy too. Take it how it applies. But these are the messages that are coming in. These are the delays being lifted. This is that sun shining through the clouds for that opportunity to open up with that fast change right there. There's a reason that the 2 of you cannot stop thinking about one another. There's a reason that the 2 of you contemplate the futures with one another. It's fated. You connect on a deeper level with this person. Think about how many times you might have dated, called it quits with, look, there's a card that's not flipped over. Page of Swords. Might have met through social media, dating app, watching each other from afar, still spying on one another, and definitely not in a creepy way. It's because your souls are connected to one another. All right. And we do have 5-5 here. Remember, fast change reminded me of a 5. 5-5, we have 3-3-3. 7 of Cups. Ace of Pentacles. 2 of Wands. There is taking yourselves out of the crossroads. There is actually removing yourselves, feeling stuck between a rock and a hard place. Now thinking about the future, and it's not fearful for you anymore to think about the future with one another. This is a plan being made. The 6 of Cups. Yes, you cannot stop thinking about one another. And there it is. For some of you, it's a twin flame. For others of you, it's a very deep soulmate connection. 1111 is here. And there is no doubt that they want to heal with you and move forward. We have Temperance and the 6 of Cups. When these show up in a reading together, this means reconciliation. This means reunion. Spirit wants you to know that they hear you, Leo. They know what you want with this person. They hear you. And this door of opportunity is going to open for both of you. And I feel it's coming in quicker than you anticipate. All right, let's see what else we can get. Final messages from this person to Leo. from this person to Leo. I had to move on because I was not ready. Wishes are coming true. Like I said, all the manifesting, all the praying, all the wishing and hoping, it's coming to fruition. It's too painful for me to see you right now, taking it back to that inner child healing. And I try to deny my feelings for you, and it's driving me crazy. I am ready to take a leap of faith with you. Will you risk it with me, Leo? I love that you showed up in your own reading with the sun. All right. Love can be blind. Ensure you're not overlooking red flags. For those of you wondering, should you distance yourself from this person? You know, it's just things seem too chaotic. They seem like there's too much turmoil. Sometimes you need to pay attention to the red flags. It doesn't mean you're not going to come into union down the road. It just means it's not the right time. It means it's like misalignment. However, if you're seeing red flags and you're not willing to move on them, not willing to make a move on them, believe me, a tower moment will come in and redirect you away from this person for the time being. You're still fated and destined on that soul level, but sometimes it's just not the right time. Doorway, that doorway of opportunity. Look at the synchronicity in this, Leo. Look at that door of opportunity. It's about to present itself. True love. True love. A deep and enduring connection going beyond superficial attraction. Get ready for this excitement, Leo. It's coming. All right, we have W, F, I, E, O, N, M, K, A. Look, it says win. All right. Take what resonates. Leave that heart emoji down below within the next couple days to still take part in the giveaway for February. Make sure you're checking that little bell where all of your YouTube notifications go on your homepage. 3 people are going to be hearing from me. If you're interested in a reading, personal reading, within the next couple weeks, I can do a few. So just hit me up through my Etsy. Link is in the description box. You will see it's on vacation mode, but it does say contact seller. And then let me know, or contact shop owner. Let me know you're interested. Like I said, we could do PayPal, we could do Venmo, or if you're right there at your phone, I can reopen my shop, let you purchase a reading, and then put my shop on vacation mode. Sending so much love and light to each and every one of you.